Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is beginner level grammar uh, and today we're going to be talking about subject pronouns. Okay, so we want to match the pictures to the sentences. So we are happy. That probably goes with picture A. He is tall. Picture B. They are relaxing. Picture C. And it is a big tree is picture D. All right, so he says, I am Tom, and he's pointing to himself. I am a teacher. I play tennis. I eat Italian food. I drink coffee. You are Alex. Now Tom is pointing to another person. You are my wife. You work in an office. You like swimming. You drink tea. Now, these two people are pointing to a third person who is a boy. So they are saying he is Bill, and we use he for boys and men. He is strong. He likes sports. He goes to school. He drinks milk. And now they're pointing to a third person, and this time it's a little girl, so they say she. We use she for girls and women. She is Stephanie. She is my daughter. She does not work. She drinks juice. She plays the violin. And then it. So here, the cat is not a person. So for animals and things, we use it. It is kitty or it is a cat. It is a dog. It is a cat. It is a house. It is a car. It is a garden. It is a city. And then we are Tom, Stephanie, Bill, and Alex. So because Tom is part of the group that he's describing, he says we. So when you are part of a group and you want to include yourself, you would use we. We are a family. We play sports. We like pizza. We like movies. You are Stephanie, Bill, and Alex. So here he's pointing to all three people. So you can be just one person, or it can mean all of you. So in this sense, he's saying all of you are Stephanie, Bill, and Alex. You play sports. You eat Japanese food. You like swimming. So it's you all play sports, you all eat Japanese food, you all like swimming. And here you're pointing there, these two are pointing to other people. So they're not including themselves in the group, so they would say they. They are Bill and Stephanie. They go to school, they like basketball, they live in America. All right, so this is just a review. So the singular subject pronouns are I, as in I play tennis. So here, I is the subject, and play is the verb, and tennis is the object. You like swimming, again, subject, verb, object. He drinks milk, subject, verb, object. She wakes up early. She is the subject. Wakes up is the verb. Here, early is an adverb because it describes when she wakes up. And it has a tail. It is the subject. Has is the verb. Tail is the object. Now we have the plural subject nouns. We. We go to the beach. So we is the subject, go is the verb. You, meaning all of you, live in a house. So you is the subject, live is the verb. And they speak Italian. They is the subject, speak is the verb. Okay, so a subject pronoun takes the place of a noun. I am reading a book. It is good. So here, it takes the place of the noun a book. I am reading some books. They are good. So some books is a plural noun, and so we have to use the plural pronoun they to take the place of some books. John works for a big company. He is a manager. So John is a man, and so we can replace his name with the subject pronoun he. John and I work for a big company. We are managers. So we is plural when you're talking about yourself and at least one other person. Okay, so this is John, and we're going to fill in the blanks with the correct subject pronoun. So John looks like he is a boy, a teenager. So for men and boys, we use he. So he is 15. He is from France. He speaks French. He likes chocolate. John likes football, and he also likes baseball. He likes to eat fruit. Okay, this is Jane. Jane is a woman, and so for women and girls, we use she. She is 24. She is a doctor. She works in a hospital. She loves pizza. Jane enjoys basketball, but she doesn't like tennis. She lives in Chicago. So Edward and Helen, see these are two other people. So we would use they. They are Spanish. They live in Madrid. They like to play tennis. Edward and Helen play musical instruments, and they play in a band on the weekend. They like to go to the movies. So here, you need to pick a subject for each sentence, and you can pause the video, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check the answers. Here is the example. Jane likes chocolate, and so a subject pronoun to take the place of the noun Jane would be she likes chocolate. So go ahead and try those on your own, and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, number 2, Roger plays tennis. He plays tennis. Tony and Andrew live in London. They live in London. Anne likes carrots, but she doesn't like cucumbers. All right, again, continue. Pause the video and do these two on your own, and then restart when you're ready to see the answers. All right, here are the answers. Peter and I play computer games. We play computer games on the weekend, because when you're including yourself in the group, you have to use we. Lisa, Carlo, and Helen speak English. They speak English at school. Here are a few more. Again, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to see the answers. All right, here are the answers. Tony and I like tennis, but we don't like golf. Andrew likes cats, but he doesn't like dogs. Sarah and Felix speak French, but they don't speak Spanish. Here's some additional practice. So Diana eats fruit, but she doesn't eat vegetables. Sarah and I work in a restaurant. We cook food. Right, a few more. Use the pictures. So he walks in the park. She is from France. Okay. They play games. They are in the plane. All right, now we're going to try to match the pictures to the sentences. So it is small. So that probably goes with picture A, the mouse. A mouse is an animal, so we call it an it. It moves fast. That could go with picture C, the race car. Again, a car is a thing, so we can use it. It is hungry. That would go with picture B. A dog is an animal, so we can refer to it as it. And it can run quickly. That goes with picture D, the cheetah. Again, the cheetah is an animal, and so we can refer to it as it. They like hiking, so with they, it would be more than one person. So that would be picture A. They like hiking. They go to school. Would be the school children here. They are fun to read, meaning the books. So they can be either people, things, or animals. There's no plural, different plural of the word it. All right, so for people, which ones would you use? People, he, she, you, I, we, and they. And then things, it or they. All right, this is Sydney. It is a big city. It is in Australia. It is hot in summer. It has lots of beaches. Sydney is a big city, but it is not the capital city of Australia. They are monkeys. They live in the jungle. They can climb trees. They like to eat fruit, and they also eat leaves. That's a beautiful dog. It looks like a Labrador. I like these shoes. They are nice. We have two cats. They are black and white. They have a car. It is a Mercedes. This is a picture of London. It is a big city. These are parrots. They live in the jungle. I like this coat, but it is expensive. These are eagles. They can fly very fast. These are wild animals. They live in Africa. I like chocolate cake. It is delicious. All right, so now you can change the subject from nouns to the correct pronoun. So instead of saying the shoes are expensive, you could say they are expensive. Paris is a big city. You would replace Paris with it. And Toby is French. Toby is a man, so we would say he is French. Alicia comes from Spain. So Alicia is a woman or a girl, so we would say she comes from Spain. Bora and Katie are friends. So when it's two people, we say they. Whoops. And the castle is in Italy. A castle is a thing, so we would use it. Alright, that brings us to the end of today's video. Please leave me any questions that you have in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share, and I hope to see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.